Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am your host, Jack, and today I am going to share a gentle and useful English practice with you. Our topic is my favorite place to relax. This is a simple topic, but it can help you talk about your home, your feelings, your habits, and your peaceful moments in English. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Now let us begin together. Everyone needs a place to relax. Relax means to rest your body and calm your mind. Some people relax in their bedroom. Some people relax in a park. Some people relax near a river, in a garden, at a cafe, or in a quiet corner of the house. A favorite place to relax is not always a famous place. It does not need to be expensive, beautiful, or far away. Sometimes the best relaxing place is simple, close, and familiar. Familiar means known and comfortable. Today, we will learn how to describe your favorite place to relax in English. We will talk about where it is, what it looks like, why you like it, what you do there, how you feel there, and how to make a short speech about it. This topic is very useful because people often ask, where do you like to relax? What do you do in your free time? Where do you go when you feel tired? If you can answer these questions, your speaking becomes more natural. Let us begin with one simple sentence. My favorite place to relax is my room. Repeat it slowly. My favorite place to relax is my room. You can change the place. My favorite place to relax is the park. My favorite place to relax is the garden. My favorite place to relax is the balcony. My favorite place to relax is a quiet cafe. My favorite place to relax is near the window. This sentence is a strong beginning. Now, let us learn the word peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, and without stress. You can say, this place is peaceful. My room is peaceful. The park is peaceful in the morning. I feel peaceful when I sit there. Another useful word is cozy. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe. My room feels cozy. The sofa is cozy. The cafe is cozy. A cozy place can help you relax after a busy day. Practice these sentences. My favorite place is quiet. My favorite place is peaceful. My favorite place is cozy. I feel calm there. I feel safe there. I can rest there. I can think clearly there. I can forget my stress there. Stress means pressure or worry. These sentences are simple, but they explain your feelings clearly. Clear English is better than complicated English. Complicated means difficult with many parts. Now, let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel works in a busy shop. Every day, he hears many voices. Customers ask questions. Phones ring. Doors open and close. People walk in and out. At the end of the day, Daniel feels tired. Tired means his body and mind need rest. When he comes home, he goes to his favorite place to relax. It is not a big place. It is a small corner near the window in his room. Daniel's relaxing corner is very simple. There is one chair, one small table, one notebook, and one cup for tea. Near the chair, there is a small plant. A plant is a living green thing that grows in soil. The window opens toward a quiet street. In the evening, Daniel can see soft lights outside. Sometimes he hears children playing far away. Sometimes he hears birds. Sometimes he hears only silence. Silence means no sound. Daniel likes this corner because it helps him breathe slowly. He sits in the chair, puts his phone away, and drinks tea. Put away means move something to another place, because you do not need it now. He does not check messages for a few minutes. He does not think about work immediately. Immediately means right now, without waiting. He just sits. He looks outside. He lets his mind become calm. This small corner becomes his peaceful place. Now let us talk about activities. Activity means something you do. In your favorite relaxing place, you may read a book, drink tea, listen to music, pray, write in a journal, watch the sky, talk with family, or simply rest. You can say, I like to read there. I like to drink tea there. I like to listen to calm music there. I like to sit quietly there. I like to think about my day there. These sentences are natural and useful. Practice activity sentences. I read in my favorite place. I drink tea there. I listen to music there. I write in my notebook there. I practice English there. I close my eyes and rest there. I talk with my family there. I watch the rain from there. I feel comfortable there. Comfortable means relaxed and okay. When you describe activities, your answer becomes more personal and interesting. Now let us talk about feelings. Feelings are very important in this topic. A relaxing place is special because of how it makes you feel. You can say, I feel calm there. I feel happy there. I feel safe there. I feel peaceful there. I feel less stressed there. I feel like I can breathe there. I feel ready to start again after I spend time there. These sentences show the reason why the place matters. Practice feeling sentences. When I sit there, my mind becomes quiet. When I sit there, my stress becomes lighter. Lighter means less heavy. When I sit there, I feel grateful. Grateful means thankful. When I sit there, I can think clearly. When I sit there, I feel close to myself. This last phrase means you understand your own feelings better. A favorite place to relax can help you listen to your own heart. Now, let us talk about time. When do you go to your favorite place? In the morning? In the afternoon? In the evening? At night? After work? After school? On weekends? You can say, I usually go there in the evening. I relax there after work. I sit there before sleeping. I go there when I feel tired. I spend time there on weekends. Time words make your answer clearer. Clearer means easier to understand. Practice time sentences. I relax there in the evening. I sit there after dinner. I go there when I need peace. I spend 10 minutes there every day. I visit the park on weekends. I sit on the balcony at night. I drink tea there in the morning. These sentences help you speak about habits. A habit is something you do again and again. Your relaxing place may be connected to a daily habit. Now, let us return to Daniel. One evening, Daniel comes home very tired. His day was difficult. A customer was angry. His manager gave him extra work. He missed the bus and had to walk home. When he enters his room, he wants to lie down immediately, but he remembers his peaceful corner. He makes tea, sits near the window, and takes a long breath. He says, "This is my place to relax. I am safe here. I can rest here." Daniel opens his notebook and writes 3 sentences. Today was difficult. I feel tired. I am thankful for this quiet place. Thankful means grateful. After writing, he feels better. The problems are not gone, but his mind is calmer. Gone means disappeared, or not there anymore. He learns an important lesson. A relaxing place does not remove every problem, but it helps you carry problems with a calmer heart. The next day, Daniel tells his English teacher about his favorite place. He says, "My favorite place to relax is a small corner in my room. There is a chair, a table, a plant, and a window. I like this place because it is quiet and cozy. I usually sit there in the evening after work. I drink tea, write in my notebook, and watch the street. When I sit there, I feel calm and safe." The teacher smiles and says, "That is a beautiful answer." Daniel feels proud. Proud means happy because of effort. He did not use difficult words, but he spoke clearly. This is a good lesson for English learners. You do not need big vocabulary to talk about your life. Vocabulary means words you know. You need useful words, simple structure, and honest feelings. Honest means true and real. When you speak about a real place, your English becomes more natural because the meaning comes from your life. Now, let us learn a simple structure for this topic. First, say the place. Second, describe the place. Third, say what you do there. Fourth, say how you feel there. Fifth, explain why you like it. This structure is easy to remember. For example, my favorite place to relax is my room. It is quiet and cozy. I read, drink tea, and listen to music there. I feel peaceful there. I like it because it helps me rest. Practice the structure. My favorite place to relax is the park. It is green and quiet in the morning. I walk there and sit on a bench. A bench is a long seat. I feel calm and fresh there. I like it because nature helps me forget stress. Nature means trees, flowers, sky, water, and animals. This answer is simple, but it has enough detail. Detail means extra information that helps the listener understand better. Now let us practice another example. My favorite place to relax is the balcony. It is small, but comfortable. I sit there at night and look at the sky. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I listen to soft music. I feel peaceful because the air is fresh and the house is quiet. I like this place because it gives me a little time for myself. This answer sounds natural because it includes place, description, activity, feeling, and reason. Now, let us talk about using the senses. Senses are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. When you describe your favorite place, use senses. What do you see? I see trees. I see soft light. What do you hear? I hear birds. I hear quiet music. What do you smell? I smell coffee. I smell rain. What do you taste? I taste warm tea. What do you feel? I feel a soft blanket or cool air. Sensory details make your English beautiful. Practice sense sentences. I see the sky from my window. I hear quiet sounds outside. I smell fresh tea. I taste warm coffee. I feel soft air on my face. I see green trees in the park. I hear the water near the river. I smell flowers in the garden. These sentences are still beginner-friendly, but they create a strong picture. A picture in words helps the listener feel your place. Now, let us build your relaxing place sentence bank. My favorite place to relax is, it is quiet, it is cozy, it is peaceful, there is a chair, there are many trees, I usually go there in the evening. I like to sit there, I like to drink tea there, I feel calm there, I feel safe there, I like it because it helps me rest. I can think clearly there. Keep these sentences ready. Now let us practice questions and answers. What is your favorite place to relax? My favorite place to relax is my room. Why do you like it? I like it because it is quiet and cozy. What do you do there? I read, drink tea, and listen to music. When do you go there? I usually go there in the evening. How do you feel there? I feel calm and peaceful there. Is it indoor or outdoor? It is indoor. Now practice more answers. Do you prefer relaxing at home or outside? I prefer relaxing at home because I feel safe. Or, I prefer relaxing outside because I like fresh air. Prefer means like one thing more than another. Do you like quiet places? Yes, I like quiet places because they help me think. Do you relax alone or with family? Sometimes I relax alone, and sometimes I relax with my family. These answers are useful for real conversation. Now let us practice a short speech. Repeat after me. My favorite place to relax is my room. It is simple, quiet, and cozy. There is a comfortable chair near the window. In the evening, I sit there with a cup of tea. Sometimes I read. Sometimes I listen to calm music. Sometimes I just look outside and think about my day. I feel peaceful there because it helps me forget stress and rest my mind. You can change this speech for your own life. Maybe your favorite place is a park. Say, my favorite place to relax is the park. It is green and peaceful. I walk there in the morning. I sit on a bench and listen to the birds. I feel fresh and calm. Maybe your favorite place is a cafe. Say, my favorite place to relax is a small cafe. It has soft music, warm coffee, and comfortable seats. Now let us talk about why relaxing is important. Relaxing is not wasting time. Wasting time means using time badly. Your body and mind need rest. If you always work, study, worry, and think, you may feel exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. A relaxing place helps you recover. Recover means become strong again. When you rest well, you can learn better, work better, speak more kindly, and make better choices. Rest gives energy back to your life. Practice rest sentences. I need time to relax. Rest is important for my health. My mind. Practice creating sentences. I will clean one corner. I will put my notebook there. I will keep the place simple. I will use soft light. I will reduce noise. Reduce means make less. I will put my phone away. I will make this place peaceful. These sentences help you talk about action. A relaxing place is not only something you find, sometimes it is something you create with small choices. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. Where is your favorite place to relax? Is it inside or outside? What does it look like? What can you see there? What can you hear there? What do you do there? When do you go there? How do you feel there? Why is this place special to you? Pause when you need time. Answer simply. My favorite place is. I feel. I like it because. One helpful practice is the 5-sentence place journal. A journal is a place where you write your thoughts. Write 5 sentences about your relaxing place. Sentence 1, my favorite place to relax is. Sentence 2, it is. Sentence 3, I usually. Sentence 4, I feel. Sentence 5, I like it because. Example, my favorite place to relax is my balcony. It is small and quiet. I usually sit there at night. I feel calm. I like it because the air is fresh. Another helpful practice is the 1-minute place talk. Set a timer for 1 minute and talk about your relaxing place. Use this order: place, description, activities, feelings, reason. If you forget a word, use simple English. If you make a mistake, continue. This practice trains your speaking and confidence. Confidence means believing you can try. Talking about a real place is easier because you can imagine it clearly in your mind. Remember, your favorite place to relax does not need to be perfect. It only needs to help you feel calm, safe, and comfortable. It can be a room, a chair, a balcony, a park, a garden, a cafe, or a quiet street. Describe it with simple words. Say what you see, hear, and feel. Say what you do there. Say why it matters. This topic can help you speak about your daily life in natural English. Before we finish, remember this. A peaceful place can rest your body, calm your mind, and give your English a real story to tell. Thank you for listening to Real Speaking Pod. I am Jack, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep talking about your favorite place to relax. Your English voice is growing. One peaceful place, one cozy sentence, and one calm moment at a time. Practice calmly today and let your peaceful place support your English journey.